Changing your verification method on DoorDash can help enhance your account security or update your preferences. Follow these steps to make the necessary changes. Step 1. Open the DoorDash app. Launch the DoorDash app on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into your account to access the settings. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Tap on the profile icon or the menu icon in the top corner of the app. From the drop-down menu, select Account or Settings to access your account settings. Step 3. Select Security Settings. In the Account Settings menu, look for an option labeled Security or Verification. Tap on it to view your current verification methods. Step 4. Choose your verification method. You will see options for different verification methods such as phone number, email, or two-factor authentication. Select the method you wish to change or update. Step 5. Follow the prompts. After selecting your new verification method, follow the on-screen prompts to complete the change. This may involve entering a new phone number or email address and verifying it through a code sent to you. Once you've completed these steps, your verification method will be updated. Make sure to test the new method to ensure it works properly.